Keep your life-saving supplies protected and easily identifiable with our first aid dry sack. Its emergency red fabric and international standard white cross make it stand out from other gear in a crisis. Its light and flexible yet durable 70 denier nylon fabric has a hydrostatic waterhead greater than 10,000 mm, providing complete waterproof protection. The clear TPU welded window allows for quick identification of its contents. Our unique field repair buckle means that a broken buckle can easily and quickly be replaced. The white interior reflects light around the inside of your bag, making it easier to find your emergency supplies. Fully seam sealed and double stitched for complete waterproof peace of mind. A robust D-ring in the buckle provides a secure attachment point. The non-wicking closure strip ensures moisture is not drawn into the bag when rolled shut. Prevents saturated bandages and damaged medical essentials, turning a serious situation into a life-threatening one with our waterproof first aid dry sacks. Available in 3 sizes: day use, overnight and expedition.